how to turn off sounds on Facebook app on Android or iPhone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on the Facebook app so you can browse without any distractions. So let's jump right in. First things first, open the Facebook app on your phone and log in if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside the app, let's move on to the next step. Tap on the three horizontal bars in the top right corner of your screen if you're on Android. If not, simply go to the bottom right, and from there simply go to settings. Now we need to find the section for sound settings. Scroll down until you see the section called media and contacts. Now if you cannot find it, you can simply search for it. You can search for media and contact. Tap on it. Now here you can view the sound in the app. Simply in-app sound, turn it off. Once you turn it off, you won't hear any sounds from videos or interactions in the Facebook app. And that's it. You've successfully turned off sounds on the Facebook app. Now you can browse without any interruptions.